How to send USDT from your Phantom wallet to your Bitget account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Phantom wallet, and over here you need to click on this option of send. Now type USDT and then select USDT. After that, you would require a Solana address. For this, simply log into your Bitget account, go to your wallet section, and in your wallet section click on this option of receive, then select USDT, and in the network section, as soon as you will select Solana, you would get an address. Simply paste that address over here, then type the amount that you want to withdraw from your Phantom wallet and click on next. After that, click on send, and this way you would be able to send USDT from your Phantom wallet to your Bitget account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.